YouTube. Well, good morning YouTube. Well, afternoon YouTube. So, if you like trains, you might like this place. So this is in the Atacama Desert, and this is a roundhouse. I don't know how far I can actually go. I'm going to the building, but I don't know if I can go to that side or not. So just kind of come in and wander around. Really, what's going on there? But if you like choo-choo trains, so obviously this is a boiler off a train. For some reason it's here, I have no idea. But yeah. But yeah. So we've got a couple big water towers, good looking Land Rover. I think that is the old station. The water tower, but we can go in here. As far as I know, we can go in here. Oh wow. This is pretty cool. This is definitely a roundhouse, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's not a lot in here. Yeah, it's a bit crooked. You can see these are for the smoke, the choo-choos, pits. That's a funny shape too. It's dark in there. Choo choo. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Don't work. Let's start. Let's see if I can get down here without breaking my neck. Yeah, just about. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I've no idea what type this number is, but yeah. Similar to, definitely similar to the ones in Bolivia at the train graveyard in Bolivia. It's got extra, I'm presuming that's extra water or oil even, because a lot of these was converted over to oil. Yeah. Definitely pretty cool. And this looks like it's been in the desert for a while. Little toolbox. Yeah, looking at that must be oil. So it's probably an oil train. Burn in there, burn it. Be quite cool. I think they're going. It's barren along. That will be quite cool. Things on this side. Bit graffiti. Yeah, the roundhouse in. So there's not many roundhouses, but the roundhouse in California, it's a lot more. It's got trains in it, but it's also got equipment in it as well. Yeah. It's got the door on there, do you notice that? Definitely cool. I just wonder how many miles I've done. How old they are. So there's no identified numbers on. So I'm presuming that's the tinder for it. But there's no identification. Oh no, there is on that one. Yeah, there's no identification numbers on it. Oh yeah, hang on, except for that one there. You know what I like. This will look cool from the air, I must admit. Because this is the turntable. Now, as far as I know, no. That won't move. Yeah, apparently with a train on here, one person can pull it out. But not now because it's jammed or stuck or whatever. Yeah. Super cool. I do like it. It's Sunday afternoon today, so I've just watched the Formula 1. I don't know why, well, I won't watch it anymore, but I don't know why, because it's crap now, to be fair. It's not as good as it used to be. Ah yeah, so this is an old. Oh yeah, let's drink lots of beer. So this is a 1918 boxcar. I have fucking no idea, I'm just making that up. No idea how old it is. Well, it's all wood. So I'd said it's from the early 19th century. I would have thought. But there's lots of other stuff there, so we'll go and have a look over there. I'm trying not to break my neck. Yeah, pretty cool. Slightly smaller. Something biting me then. You don't bite when you're in desert. I'm going to keep up there somewhere tonight. I'm going to town tomorrow. FCAB 1001. Doors full of. It's derailed. It's metal. Yeah. So this looks like a what's it car? Like a mail car or something like that. Yeah. So it's a goods car, mail car. Is it that the Dunny? That's all possible. Yeah, that looks like the mail. I think I can go on to the next one. Yeah. So these are the what's it ones. And they remind me of The Walking Dead again. Because they got stuck in one for a while. No. It also reminds me of Auschwitz as well, because every time I see a car like, you know, a thing like this, a box car like this, always reminds me of Auschwitz, because when you go into Auschwitz, well, Birken too, that's what they've got. They've got these, some of the original ones what the people was taken into. These haven't moved in years, I don't think. I don't know how far I can go up here or not. But there's a fence here, so probably not any further, because this is the modern stuff. Like the other side of this fence, well, they're obviously modern, so I don't think we can go. Got a big engine, big diesel. Yeah, some bogies. I wonder if them springs had yeah, might be a bit big for mine actually. I need a new spring for my Land Rover because I broke it. Yeah, I don't know what's in there. Yeah, there's actually not a lot of eggs. I don't think we can't go over that other side so much, but yeah, it's still interesting. Still very interesting. To be fair, I actually thought it was bigger when I'd seen it on YouTube before. That somebody that I follow, Bandit Engineering, he did about 4 or 5 videos in the Atacama Desert, and here being one of them. It's yeah, it's definitely different. Yeah, that's a bolt and a bit of scrap. It looks like it's looks like a V8 engine. Yeah. So that inner spring might fit mine. Anyhow, yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't think we're allowed in that section over there, to be fair, even though you could probably just walk in anyway, but yeah, don't think so. So if I'm not finding human skeletons, I'm finding train skeletons. Yeah. The brake. So, yeah, there's the dunny. Toilet back there. And so these were, looks like they were like small compartments. I'm guessing. There's some pictures there. So it's actually got a library. A library as such. Pretty cool. Yeah, definitely pretty cool. Said there's not a lot here really, but it's cool to see this. Definitely. So that's the one that was just done. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. Look at that is. Won't have another what that is. Big lump of metal. It's supposed to be there. So it's a pump of some sort. I'm gaining that soil. And then this bit. So so they're movable tracks, so it goes in, so if they need to take an axle off, I'm guessing that's what these are for. It's to jack it up. And then there's some other tracks here to wheel it away. Because that definitely looks like some sort of a jack. Pretty cool. Lovely smell of oil. That's what I do. I've said that a few times when I do train stuff. It's just, I just love the smell of the oil. Pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for you. Had a bit of a nosy round. I don't think I can walk over that way because they're life tracks and I'll probably get in trouble for that. I won't be arrested. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. I'll probably tag it on to something else, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'll probably tag it on to something else. And let's see, for this bit. So obviously this is the water tank. So get the chain, pull the train, this pivots over, and then you turn that tap and fill the train up full of water. But this is the remains of an old church, or maybe 1901 entrance to something. Bit windy, sorry. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna skedaddle. Hopefully enjoy a little bit of trains. But yeah, so these are Chilean trains, not like the Bolivian trains for the last time. So I might find some Argentinian ones as well. Right, catch you later.
you.